Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 46th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 45 videos as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Let's start solving this one. Let us look at this question. This question says that a spiral is made up of successive semicircles, which is indicated here. Successive semicircles which center alternately at A and B. So this as the center, the next time B is the center, the next time A is the center, and so on. And the radii of the first semicircle, that is L1, is half. Then the next one, that is L2, is 1. Then the next one is 1.5. The next one is 2. So what is the length of such a spiral if the spiral is made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay, so we know that what is the length or the circumference of a semicircle? It is pi r. It is pi r. Okay, now we have 13 semicircles, so the total length will be pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 and so on till where? Till 13. So it will be pi r13. Okay, now let me take the pi as out common. If I take the pi as out common, the total length will be r1 plus r2 plus r3, okay, till r13. Now look at this. I will keep the pi as pi, and what is r1? R1 is 0.5, then r2 is 1, then r3 is 1.5, then r4 is 2, and so on till r13. Okay, till r13. But when I look at this carefully, I get 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2, 1 can be written as 2 by 2, 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2, this can be written as 4 by 2. So r13 will be 13 by 2. Okay, I take the 2 out common. What do I get? Pi by 2. This becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up till 13. Now this is an AP and we have to find the sum of this. So the sum of this AP will be pi by 2 multiplied by n by 2, which is 13 by 2, multiplied by first term and last term. First term is 1 plus 13, which is the last term. This whole thing will be pi by 2 multiplied by 13 by 2 multiplied by 14. Okay, uh, I want to simplify this further. Okay, but before that I want to put the value of pi. So pi I'll put as 22 by 7, which is given in the question, and this pi by 2 ka half into 13 by 2 into 14. Okay, so the 14 gets cancelled by 7 into 2, and 2 cancels 22 by 11. So the final answer is 11 into 13, which is equal to 143 centimeter. Okay, so the sum of the length of all the spirals is 143 centimeter. The final answer is not that important. What is important is that you understand the concept that was used to solve the question and the common sense that was used. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.